Hello everyone, this is Sriparna and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I came up with 2 easy DIY ideas and that can be made out of waste materials. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. For the first DIY, I have taken this old cardboard carton. And with the help of the pencil I will draw a shape, and now I am going to cut it using pencil knife. Okay, now I will cut another little piece in the same way. I am taking another cardboard piece and now I am going to attach them like this. Okay, now I am taking a normal brown paper and इस brown paper को glue की help से मैं ऐसे attach कर लूँगी. Okay, now in a bowl taking 1.5 teaspoon of plaster of Paris and 1 teaspoon of white glue and 1 teaspoon of white acrylic color. If you want, you can add some water also. If you don't have POP, do not worry, you can use talcum powder as an alternative. I am applying this paste onto this cardboard. ये पेस्ट पूरा ड्राई होने के बाद मैं कलर करूँगी and here I am using acrylic colors. Now I will make some design on it. Now I am draw doors, windows and some flowers. Okay, my desk organizer is ready. For the second DIY, I am taking this earthen pot और चाय की खुलत. मैं इसे एक प्लांटर की तरह यूज करूँगी. So for training system, I am making a hole inside this earthen pot. Okay, now I am applying white acrylic color for the base and let it dry. बेस कलर ड्राई होने के बाद नाउ आई एम अप्लाइंग येलो एक्रेलिक कलर है. After drying, I will make some design on it and I am making some really simple designs so that everyone can make it. To seal the color, you can use varnish on it, but before applying varnish, make sure your paint is completely dry. Okay, my cute planter is ready. Now let's see how it will look after planting something into it. So that was all about today's video. I hope you enjoy watching it and please let me know in the comment section among these 2 DIYs which one you like the most. Thank you you so much for watching this video. I will see you all in the next video soon. Until then, take care. Bye.